Let me show you how I made my old Lincoln welder mobile. Pretty cool and easy. Well, a year or two ago I did a video on putting wheels on this welder, but I used creeper wheels. I had an old creeper that the creeper had pretty much shot, and I hated to throw the wheels away, so I used the wheels for that. But if you know anything about creepers, you'll know that the creeper wheels, it's just hard to get them going in the direction you want them to go. So what I did this time is just use a what I call a furniture dolly or a piano dolly, and it works much better. You can do a 360 with it. You can spin it anywhere, take it anywhere you want to go without much trouble. Let me show you what I did on the bottom side. Let's turn it over. Well, it really couldn't be any simpler than this. This is I probably bought that at Harbor Freight or either Harbor Freight or Northern Tools. They put them on sale for $6 or $7, and it's just a bargain. These are really, really handy for a lot of things. This one is, I think, about 12 inches by 18 inches. Fits this thing perfectly. Got about a ½ inch overlap all the way around it. Otherwise, fits great. So it's got a bracket on the bottom of this that has 3 holes in it. 1, 2, 3. And I just use the center hole. It's a larger hole. And just had to put it down on there and scratch underneath on this, scratch it to show where to drill. Drilled a hole in this, ran a bolt in it, washer here, washer on the back side, nut on the back side, and it ain't going nowhere. Again, easy to roll around. These casters work so much better. Now this is cheap. This is like $7 or $8 item, but these casters work so much better than the wheels that off of a creeper. So I just thought I'd show you this because it's an upgrade. I've already done this once, did a video on it once, but this is the much better way to do it. And if you do have one of these welders, this is called some people call them a cracker box welder. Some people call it a tombstone welder. But if you've got one of these and you want to make it where you can roll it around, make it mobile, I'm telling you, it just don't beat that. That thing probably weighs 100 pounds or so, or more. And if it had better casters on it, it would be even better. But for right now, that's hard to beat. That's hard to beat. So get you some wheels on your little cracker box. Makes it mobile. Take it all around your shop, whatever you need to do. Move it where you want to move it. One way to do it. Works great. Give it a try. We're gone.